So we got some leaked marketing material for the upcoming Pixel Fold 2 with a diagram of all three upcoming Pixel 9 editions of their lineup. We have the Pixel 9 Pro, the Pixel 9, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, which is the Pixel Fold 2, and we have all the different juicy information about it. So starting off right away, yes, all three of them will give us the Tensor G4 chip, which based on what we have heard and understand is going to be really freaking powerful and really good. So that's a huge W, and hopefully, continues the W's down this line here. 6.3 inches plus an 8-inch inside display for the Pixel Fold 2. We have actual front plus super flex inner displays. Okay. We have RAM, which is 16 gigabytes, which is exactly what we've been hearing lately, which will be the most gigabytes on any foldable cell phone on the market right now. And based on what we understand, the OnePlus Open 2 is also going to have 12 gigabytes of RAM. So it will be the most this year for any phone, gigabyte-wise, RAM-wise. Which, is that really a big deal? Not really. Usually most cell phones nowadays, when it comes to like the Z Fold 6, they have 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is the installed RAM on the device, but they also have a way for using virtual RAM to get up to 16 gigabytes. So in reality, it's just, actual physical RAM on the device is 16, while the Z Fold series does 12 plus 4 virtual RAM. So yes, 16 gigabytes of RAM is more, but you'll probably never actually fully utilize 16 gigabytes of RAM. And with the fact that it doesn't have Samsung DeX or any type of operating system, lets you connect it to a monitor and utilize it, 16 gigabytes of RAM is gonna be all but okay, cool. It is gonna be nice that it does go ahead and make gaming better. If you video edit on your phone, it's gonna help out a lot. But for the average consumer, it's not much. It's not much when it comes to improvements. It is much when it comes to how good it is. It is cool to have 16 gigabytes of RAM, but again, it's not like it's insanely going to change your world if you pick up this phone versus picking up another foldable cell phone like the OnePlus Open 2. Real camera is 48 megapixels, 10.5 megapixels, and then 10.8 megapixels, which of course, not bad. I mean, overall wise, it's not insanely crazy, but again, as I always say, numbers really don't matter. What matters is the sensor inside the camera. That's actually what matters in the end here. But overall wise, that's the information that we really got. We got the power behind the Pro within the game-changing Google Tensor G4 chip, a 24-hour battery, and 7 years of security updates and pixel drops. It's built to keep up with you all day long. I'm excited for this phone. I'm very, very much excited for this phone. And I'm excited to see what we end up getting in the end and how powerful this phone is. I'm going to be picking up the second it is available, and I will be reviewing it on the channel just like I did with the Z Fold 6. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you are indeed new. Again, it is interesting. That's what I'll say. It's very interesting.